hello.
Are you okay?
Hey, hey, hey!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
We're in trouble now.
Okay.
Amazing!
Yeah, let's go.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't.
Bye.
Okay. Good job! Okay!
Here we go!
Bye, have a great time. Wow, amazing!
Oh, good.
Okay!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Bye-bye!
Okay.
Oh no!
Bye.
Oh yes! Here I go! 愛情おいしく料理してやるぜ
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning! おはようござい
Here we go!
ます Hello! Good morning! Good morning! It's hot the whole night through. Good morning! Good morning to you! Hello!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hello! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Are you okay?
Hey, hey, hey!
Oh, hello.
Okay.
Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Okay.
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Bye-bye. We're in trouble now. Here I go. Hello. Wow. Amazing.
Don't ask!
Okay.
Wow, amazing!
Oh yes.
Here we go!
Cause I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.